Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to make dalgona candy. Firstly, add 2 tablespoons of sugar to a metal ladle or small pan. Hold it directly over medium heat, stirring constantly with a wooden chopstick until the sugar melts completely and turns a light amber color. Now remove the ladle from the heat and add a pinch of baking soda and stir quickly until the mixture becomes slightly foamy and evenly combined. Now pour the melted mixture onto the parchment paper in 2 equal circles and use a lightly oiled measuring cup to flatten each candy to about a 1/4 inch thick. Now pour the melted mixture onto parchment paper in 2 equal circles and use a lightly oiled measuring cup to flatten each candy for about a 1/4 inch thick. Now let the cup rest for 8 seconds, then remove it and gently press a cookie cutter like star, heart or circle into the center to make a design. Don't cut it all the way through. Now allow to cool and harden completely before serving. It works fast. Once baking soda is added, the mixture sets quickly. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.